Hi, welcome to the first video of a preview of boy toys for moms. Sometimes we don't know what a toy looks like before we buy it, so this will give you a little idea of what the toys is before you get it at the store. So today we're going to start with a Marvel Lego superhero, and this is ages 6 to 12. That's what the box says, and the number will be 76015. And as you can see, it says Dr. Octopus or Doc Ock Truck Heist, and is 237 pieces, and it sounds really fun. Inside has Dr. Octopus, and also has a Spider-Man and a truck driver. It seems like it's a little police guy, and also you see a truck with a bunch of little fun stuff. So we're going to go ahead and open the box. And this is of course for mommies to do, because kids shouldn't be playing with scissors. Okay. Inside we have a big bag that has a spider web. Also have little people that I showed you in the boxes previously. That's package number 1. And like I said at the beginning, we have 237 pieces, so that it's a lot. In package number 2, we have all the things that for you to make the truck where the policeman goes in, and the wheels. Put them in there. And then we have some little stickers that come as part of it. Stickers for the truck. Cute. And also you have a little magazine inside. It looks like it's a comic book that the kids scan. There's nothing to really read on it, but it has a lot of pictures, and it basically relates it kind of gives a story of what the toy is. So that's pretty neat. And it gives you a picture of Spider-Man and the policeman in the car, and it kind of relates the story. So that's what the little book that comes inside. And then also, of course, we have the instruction book on how to build it, and how to build the little people step by step. This seems like it's a fun set. And it has about 46 pages, and depending on the age, they probably gonna need help from you, Mom, or from Dad, to be able to build this wonderful set of Lego Marvel Superhero. Again, repeating the numbers, it's a set 76015, and it looks like it's really fun. So this is the previews of this nice Marvel Spider-Man Lego set. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you got enough information about it. Okay? Thank you so much.